this is 364. If you are doing Instagram shorts video, so you can use this one.
Yes.
We can adjust the speed also on here.
Yeah. You have memory card also?
So you can adjust the speed. Do you want the slow motion or speed version? Hi everyone, this is Jenishliz. Welcome back to my another video, guys. Today in this video, today we are going to buy a new seal cover for my GoPro. So I will show you where I will buy the GoPro product in Qatar. So we are right now here in souq waqif. So let's go there and we will let you know where we can buy the seal cover for my GoPro. And also I want to buy the tripod also my GoPro. Okay, now we are now here in souq waqif. You can see around this place. The place is near to the souq waqif metro station. So I will go straight and then I will turn the left side. So if you turn to the left side, we can see the Lenz Camera shop. You can see the transport bus for the metro. If you have the kayak card, just you can use the free transportation. Look at the view, guys. This is the view for the new Doha now. Hotel you can see. So the shop is close to the Sasa hotel. So first we will go there and we will let you know how much the price they are giving for us. Guys, I am finally here in Lenz Camera shop. So I already got the seal cover for my GoPro and the tripod also I bought here. But they are giving for me the best discount. So because I am a regular customer here, that's why they are giving here the cheap price for me that. So we will ask them. They have many product here. We will ask them. So we will let you know how much the price and how much they are giving us. Then. So this is the seal cover I'm going to buy for my GoPro. Guys, I got finally the shield cover for my GoPro and also the tripod also I bought. So I will show you something here. You can see there is many tripods for here. Many tripods are for here with the cameras. And also if you want to buy the accessories here, GoPro cameras, all hand cameras, the accessories you can buy here. You can see, guys. If you have the blocker or you are making video at home, so you can buy here this kind of things. I'll show you one by one.
Variety no, the 360 variety.
Guys, this is 364. If you are doing Instagram shorts video, so you can use this one.
Yes.
We can adjust the speed also on here.
Yeah. You have memory card also?
So you can adjust the speed. Do you want the slow motion or speed version? So you can, it look like a hyper smooth speed.
Need that's the memory card.
Wow. How much this one?
5,500.
5,500.
Okay.
Guys, you can see here these sides are the display gimbals here. That's gimbals are for camera. Anna, just I have some question. These gimbals are for camera, no?
Yes.
So what kind of camera we can
Yes, it's multi-purpose. Like this is specially for the camera.
Okay.
This is specially for the camera as well, that you can as well mobile you can use as. Okay. And this is also M2S, this same model, and this the DJI brand RS3 Pro combo. So this is the latest one for the from the DJI. Just arrived for I think 4 or 5 months ago.
How much cost this one?
This is we are selling now for 4,149. This is our price now. And yeah, this is the four variation for this DJI RS3. This is the RS3 Pro combo, and this is RS3 combo, and this one, the other one is only combo here.
We can see on the side.
This is the combo. So like, and single also we have only for the gimbal only. Here this RS3. So this is
This
for
one, how much the
category
price? How much is the price?
2099.
Ah.
So these are RS3. These are 4 categories. Like it's depend you know what called the accessories.
Okay.
Like from the change of the name, there is more accessories, and also especially for the capacity of the camera that you can handle with this gimbal type. And yeah, this is the RS3 and RS2. This is the previous model, RS2 Pro combo. So this is all accessories and everything is including here.
Okay, that's a combo.
Yeah, it's a combo, which means so especially for that one for mirrorless camera only. So mirror camera that you can use. This is you can use it with any cameras. So yeah, that's the thing.
So I'm using for which reason we using this one?
It's video for video.
And
this is,
we can change the color also.
yeah, sure.
So these are different, no? The tripod are different and the light is different. That's 400 real.
Yeah, 400. Yeah.
And how much these accessories are? The tripod with this one for the mobile, no?
This for mobile, also camera. You can this one demo, you can use camera. This one coming 250 real.
250 real, no? And can you show me the cheaper one?
പിന്നെ മറ്റേ ഇത് മാർക്കില്ല